begin. So hello and welcome to Exploring PTS Primo Charts. This is our session number 18 and I had a technical difficulty, so I apologize for the delay. But anyway, you're going to receive the recording of this session. So what we're going to do today is to look at the data menu overview. We have the portfolio templates and Workspace Manager, the symbol list update option, the global options to calculate on bar close, the global options for entry prices, global options for breakout scanner, and other options. So I'm going to put PTS Primo Charts on the screen, and the menu that I'm referring to is this one, the data menu. So the first three options on the data menu, the first one is to create a new chart. So pretty much, I don't think you will use this one, but you will use the icon on the top left to create a new chart, and it will take you to the same place. So if I click OK, that will open a chart from the queues. So in the same way, if I click on the first option, it will get me to the same window, and I can open a chart also from the data menu. This two options create a scripted alert and the back testing, and these are a more advanced options. You need to have like programming skills to be able to use this. So we're going to skip those. Most of the people will not have those programming skills, but if you do, and if you want to use them, please contact us and we will give you the manual for that. We don't have a tech support for these options. The next options are the topics for today: the portfolio manager, the template manager, and the workspace manager. The rest of the options, we will look at them in the following weeks. The portfolio manager, you can access the portfolio manager either from this window, or you can go to the letter P and you will have pretty much the same options. So with the portfolio manager, what you can do is create a new portfolio manager or manage existing portfolios. If you're going to create a new portfolio manager, you click on new portfolio manager and then add a name. So let's say that I'm going to name this my stocks. And when you click OK, this is your new portfolio manager where you can add symbols and create your own list of symbols. Coming back to data, you also have what is called manage the portfolios. So any portfolios that you have existing at the moment, you can manage them from here. You can either change the name or delete them. At the moment on my platform, I have a portfolio manager that is called Portfolio Manager and one that is called My Stocks. Let's say that I want to either change the name of this one, I can change it or delete it. If you try to change the name of a portfolio that is open, you're going to get a message saying that you have to first close the tab. And then after you close the tab, you can change the name. So we're going to do that. We're going to go to My Stocks, close the tab, save the manager. So this is kind of the order of things. Go to My Stocks and let's say that I want to change the name, My Stocks 2023, click OK. And then if you go to the portfolio manager, then you have My Stocks 23 and with the name change. So that's the way to do it from the managed portfolio. So this one has the same options as the portfolio from here. Same with the charts. I think you will use this one and that one instead of the data menu. On the data menu, we also have the template manager and downloads template. So the template manager is if you have a lot of templates that you have created for your charts and you need to delete or change the name on them, you can go to the template manager, and you just can delete those templates. So I have 2 templates. If I delete one, let's say oscillator, click OK, that will be deleted from the list that you will see when you pull down this menu. Okay, so it's deleted. The only one that I have is the default template. If you want to download templates, so we have like a list of preset templates in case you have all of these strategies. Like pretty much I do right now, so I can check all of the strategies and update all of my templates. So you click OK here, download selected templates, click OK. It's going to take a couple of seconds before you can come to this triangle little guy and maybe see all of the templates that I have downloaded. So now I can apply them to the chart. And they are available for you, but of course you have to own the strategies for those templates to work. So coming back again to the data menu, template manager, I can just, I don't want to use them, I can just delete all of the templates that I'm not using by clicking on delete, and just leave the one that I'm using, which is the default template. I think we talked about these templates before when we were creating templates. So just as a refresher, if you right click and go to templates, you can save a template, and that is how you create it. So I can put here PTS default, and that's my new template. Okay, so let's go to the template manager and you will see both of them. Okay, so this is kind of after you create the templates, if you want to manage them, this is the place to go. And the last topic for today is the Workspace Manager. So the Workspace Manager is in case you created a lot of workspaces, which we saw like in previous videos, and then you can come and change the name or delete workspaces that you're not using any longer. So just as a refresher, when you go to File, you can save the current workspace, but you can also save new workspaces that you created. Those workspaces that you created, you will see them at the bottom. So if you create another one, you will see it here, and then you will manage it from the data menu. So I think we can do symbol lists. So when you click on symbol lists, you have a window of all of the symbols available for PTS Primo Charts, symbol list available. So you can just click on the ones that you need. Okay, so I'm going to click on all of the US symbols now, the US stock, ETFs, and update that list of symbols. When I go to a scanner, we have a scanner open, so I'm going to open a scanner, and I have the option to load the list of symbols from here, but also I have the option to load them from here. So with the symbols that I just updated, this is what happens. Okay, we have all of the symbols here. So that's pretty much that for the data menu. On the following classes, we will kind of split in 2 classes. We're going to talk about the previous day for a scan for all of the strategies. These are pretty much like global options. We have seen some of them, but we're going to review those in the next, not the next one. The next one is going to be about version 205, which is the coming version. And then we will talk about the rest of the topics on the data menu. So thank you so much for coming, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.